Hi guys, for this video guys, kain muna kami guys. Ang ulam namin ngayon guys is ito guys. Tuna. Preska tuna guys. Mitsado. Kahit simple lang to guys, masarap to guys. Ito guys, masarap tong pang-ulam guys. Tuna, preska tuna, mitsado guys. Ito guys, tikman natin guys. Ito guys oh. Guys, ang ulam namin simple lang guys. Simple lang ulam namin guys. At hindi kalimutan ko guys, hindi ko malilimutan yung pag-inom ng ano guys, gatas. Ito guys, beer brand guys, gatas na beer brand. Yan talaga guys, kahit simple lang guys, okay na guys, sarap na. Yung tuna guys, ito guys oh. So guys,